Everyone says AI is supposed to make building a website easy, but most beginner tutorials still show you tools that barely save time or cost way too much. So instead of showing another complicated tool, let me show you the one AI website builder I'd recommend if you're starting from zero and you want a real working website fast. It's called Hostinger AI Website Builder, and it's built not for developers but for people who just want results without code. The way it works is actually pretty simple. You start by telling the AI what kind of site you want, who it's for, what it does, what style you like, even things like colors and headlines. Then the AI generates a fully functional website, layout, copy, images, everything, in minutes. You don't have to write a single line of code, pick templates manually, or hire a designer. Once the site is generated, you can customize it visually, drag and drop blocks, change text, swap images, just like you would in any modern editor. What makes Hostinger AI different from older builders is that it doesn't just generate a skeleton. It gives you built-in SEO tools, content suggestions, and even marketing features like email integration. That means your site isn't just a pretty page. It's something that search engines and customers can actually find. And here's the part that matters to beginners. You can go from idea to published site in under 10 minutes. No code, no designers, no crazy setup. Plus, the pricing starts at a level that normal people can afford, and it includes hosting and a domain if you choose a paid plan. Now, nothing's perfect. AI sometimes gets the wording or images a little off on the first try, so you'll want to tweak things. But that's normal even with professional designers. The key is this: AI gets you most of the work instantly, and you refine the rest. That's way better than starting with a blank canvas or paying someone thousands of euros. So if you're new to building websites, running a small business, or want a fast online presence without learning to code, Hostinger AI is one of the easiest places to start. And because it's made for beginners, you won't feel overwhelmed, you won't get stuck in technical menus, and you won't waste time. If you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to use this to build your first website, drop a comment and I'll make that next. And if you're still struggling with how to make AI actually work for you, subscribe, because real beginner systems are coming every week.